Hello, Athens students and families. This is Mrs. Allen, the Director of College and Career Readiness. Part of my job is to make for certain that you are successful in whatever you want to do after you get out of high school. And if college is your choice to do after you get out of high school, dual credit is one great way. Because you are in AP Biology, Honors Anatomy and Physiology, and AP Environmental Science, you are eligible to get dual credit through University of Missouri, St. Louis. So let's talk about how that works. First of all, why choose the dual credit? And what is dual credit? Dual credit is getting college credit and high school credit at the same time for taking the courses that you're taking. Why? Because you can save money. University of Missouri, St. Louis pays only $68 per credit hour if you do dual credit. If you were taking this class on campus, it would be $371.40 per credit hour. That's a saving of over $300 per credit. You also save time. Every credit that you take in high school and dual credit may help you with eventually in your college. And most of the colleges and universities do accept dual credit. It may be one-on-one, and it may be as an elective. Also, your high school instructor is fully qualified and is considered an adjunct professor for University of Missouri, St. Louis. One question everybody asks is, how will this transfer and will this transfer? There is a national database that you have the link there and in the PowerPoint. You can also check your institution that you're trying to transfer to or contact me, one of your counselors, and we can see if we can help you. Mrs. Genta and I are here to help you with those questions. How to enroll is very, very simple. Just log in using umsl.edu/acp. You create your account. You can use your Google account, which is your Afton account. Complete the online application, select your courses, and hit submit. As part of the application, you will have to provide an email for your parents. Your parents will then receive an email with that link to approve that you are in this dual credit course. That's very important. You will not be able to continue on if your parents do not give permission. If they do not receive the email shortly after you submit it, have them to check their junk or email or spam email. Finally, I will go in and approve that you are qualified. Bills will be mailed out by September 18th, and they are due by October the 10th. Do you qualify? If you're a junior or senior with a 3.0 or above, you will qualify. If you have between a 2.5 and 2.99, but you have a recommendation from me, Dr. Myers, or your counselor, then you can qualify. When you graduate from high school, if you don't intend to attend University of Missouri, St. Louis, you will need to have a transcript sent to the school that you're planning on going to. And you can see the link there. They are all processed through the National Student Clearinghouse through UMSL. Important deadlines. Today starts registration, August the 24th. It ends September the 14th. It is very, very important that you get everything done by September the 14th, including your parents' permission. So don't wait till the last minute. Go ahead and apply today. The last day to drop is December the 1st. If you have any questions, contact me, Mrs. Allen, at mallen@aftonschools.net, or you can call me at 681-2686, or you can go to UMSL Dual Credit, which is 314-516-7005, or acp@umsl.edu. Remember, if you have any questions, please contact me.